guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be talking about facials. I'll be reviewing Nature's Essence facial kit. They have variety of options, specially curated as per different skin type and concern. So they have 5 different types of facial kits. You can choose as per your skin type. I'll be using papaya one. I often used to think that it's a bad idea to do facial on an acne prone skin, as it can irritate your skin and can lead to more acne. However, over the years, I realized that's not true. A facial is a must for our skin, as due to everyday hustle, pollution, a lot of unwanted gunk gets inside our pores in form of dirt, makeup or sweat. And that leads to dullness, blackheads, whiteheads and more acne. So this is how the packaging looks like. Price of this one is $260 and you can use it 3 times. So basically you're getting a facial done at just 80 rupees. So every packaging also has a different pro tip written on it and all the details of how to use it. So this kit includes 4 different products along with one product which is pre-facial prep. Basically it is to detan your skin. So if you go to Parlour to get your facial done, you have to pay extra for your detan mask, but here they have included the same in the kit. Now let's open and see. So these all are included in the package. I'm so happy that these are tubes and not those small sachets, because it's easier to use when it's a tube and also much more easier to keep them for further use. So this is how my skin is before doing facial. I have acne, I have pigmentation, my skin is tan. So that's the reason I chose papaya kit. Papaya helps to reduce pigmentation, acne, dark spots, and that leads to skin brightening. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin and removes tan from your skin. This kit includes cleanser, exfoliate, nourish and polish. Along with that you get a free detan pack which we can use before facial. So this is the first step. So you just have to apply a thick layer all over your face. So apply it all over your face and then massage it for like 2 minutes in circular motion. After this, let it rest for 15 minutes. So see you guys in 15 minutes. Now just wipe off the mask with wet tissue. I have wiped off the detan pack. The detan removes tan thoroughly and you can clearly see the difference in just one go. Next is the cleanse. So basically this is the first step. So I have kept my face wet because for the next step you need to have your face and neck wet. The texture of this is quite smooth. It does not have any granules in it. Warm it up. You need to massage it in upward motion. Massage it for good enough 5 minutes. The smell of this product is really amazing. So I'll do this and see you back in 5 minutes. And I'll just wipe the product off my skin using a wet wipe. Next step is exfoliate. So it's a scrub. So it says that it has fine rice powder in the cream. So now you have to again scrub the product same way you use the cleanser. Scrub for at least 5 minutes and the stroke has to be upwards. I quite like that it does not have really strong smell, because usually facials do have very strong smell. Also the scrubs are not harsh, it is very gentle to scrub it on. So I have washed off the exfoliate. Now let's move on to step 3. This is nourish. So it's a massage cream. You have to apply this cream in dots all over your face and massage it for like 15 minutes. It says that this cream helps you with your blemishes. Now I'll quickly massage it for 15 minutes and be back. Let's move on to the 4th and the last step, which is polish. This is a papaya pack. Apply a thick layer all over your face and your neck. Don't forget your neck. You might feel a little discomfort, a bit of irritation on your face while applying it, but it won't stay for longer, so don't worry. So I have applied the pack all over my face. Now I'll rest for 5 minutes. So see you guys after 5 minutes. Now wiping off the pack before it gets completely dried out. So I wiped off the pack. We are done with the facial. It was super quick and super easy to do, and I just love the result. I can definitely see how fresh my skin is looking and so much brighter after using the detan pack. It looks much more healthier and it looks nourished as well. Also, it helps with the blemishes, wrinkles and breakouts. I'm just loving the fact that I got it done just for 80 bucks, getting a parlor like glow at home. It is amazing, and I would definitely suggest you all to try it out, because not only it is budget friendly, but it will give you a result which is better than your expensive facial. So do try it and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. I'll be putting up all the details in the description, so make sure you go and check it out. And that's all guys, see you next time, bye.